wonder what this is. What a mess! We use these parts to build a vehicle. Truck cabin. Headlight. 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 Back doors. Beacon lights. Steering wheel. Wheels. Back doors. Seat. Door. Door. Wheels. Back doors. Truck cabin. Back doors. Wheels. 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 Yes, you got it. Let's go!